Hello, I am here with new video, and in this video I will introduce iMobile Pay by ICC Bank. And I think it's really a simple application for ICC Bank credit card. And firstly, you need to download this application on your mobile device. It can be your tablet PC or smartphone. And then I want to introduce this application with screenshots at on Google Play. And let's start with the first picture. And as you see, it is the main page, I think. And if you want to create an account, you need to click let's get started button here, and after this you can create your account and apply for ICC Bank credit card. And let's see what can we do with ICC Bank credit application. So you can unlock with your fingerprint, or you can enter 4-digit login pin. But if you forget your pin, so you need to click forget pin button here. And also and let's talk about the second the other picture. Yes, it is an account dashboard, and I think it is ICC Bank port, my savings portfolio page here. Yes, so you can transfer your fund, you can pay your bills, and you can recharge, and you can see your all deposits and accounts. And also you can see the loans choices on the application. And I think let's see a bill payment page. What can we do with this application? Yes, you can pay your credit cards, you can pay your electricity bill and DTH bill, and you can also pay your education bill. Yes, as you see, there are many payment choices here, so you can um, pay them easily. So, and also you can see the news campaign news from the bank or the company, the other companies. Yes, okay. Thank you for watching my this video, and see you next videos. Bye.